Benji, how you feeling about this?
You know, as you'd expect.
Yeah,
you know, just really nervous.
Right now!
Come in.
Hello.
Hello, sweet boy.
Hello.
Stand on the X.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right, my darling.
I've seen that all the time on telly, but I've made the mistake, sorry. Hello.
What is your name?
Benji Matthews, and I'm 17 and I'm from Cornwall.
Oh, you're a baby. Benji.
Which part of Cornwall?
Truro, kind of.
You know, I was trying to get in there literally this weekend.
You're joking.
Just gone, and there is not a single hotel room available.
Peak season, isn't it?
But it's nice down there, right?
It's gorgeous there.
I've got a really annoying nervous giggle, so...
It's all right. It's wonderful.
How long have you been singing?
Well, everyone sings when they're, like, a kid.
Yeah.
And, like, started taking it seriously, and I started, like, properly loving it after, like, Whitney Houston died, because I proper got into her music, and then I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
Benji, I want to hear you sing now.
OK, thank you. OK. Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky.
Okay, Benji.
Ooh, sorry.
Do you know what? I've just realised I can't hear this song anymore. I'm literally feeling gooded out. Can I hear the Alicia Keys song?
OK. Some people live for the fortune, and some people live just for the fame, and some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live to play the game. Some people think the physical things define what's within, and I've been there before, and that life's a bore so full of the superficial, and some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby, and some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people want diamond rings, and some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you, yeah.
Wow. You, Benji, have got soul. You have. Look, apart from the crazy hand movements, the horrible backing track.
I love that because he's free. He just does his thing when he sings. I love it.
You know what I liked about you? It was raw. It wasn't perfect, but I really like you. You're one of the people I'm going to remember, Benji. You are. And you know what else I like about you? You're a little rough diamond. And those are my favourites, the little rough diamonds.
OK, honestly, buzzing.
Good. Lulu.
Benji, you literally lit up when you started singing, you know? You became a different person. I think we found somebody very good.
You're not slick, and that's what I love about you. The hair says it all.
Says it all. That was a tasty performance. You were like an ocean in there. You got in there, you were rolled your sleeves up, you were feeling it, you took us with you. Just a yummy, hot mess. And I know. I've been there.
We got a vote. Louis.
Benji, yes.
Sharon?
It's a yes from me.
I'm going to say yes.
Benj. Yeah, 4 fat, juicy yeses.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Great job,
Well done.
I wasn't expecting that.
He's great.
He is a dumpling.
He is.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
Safe trip home.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
He's a little matzo ball.
He is.
Matzo ball soup. Come here.
I cannot believe this has happened. Like, I'm going to boot camp, but that's